Welcome to another TESSALink training video. Today we're going to use our mobile app in the online mode to use the batch option. So click on the batch button if it's available on your screen. We're going to create these assets and we're going to pin them to a list so that we're able to do inspections. We're actually going to be creating new assets. So you click on pin. Do you want to create assets that don't exist? Yes. So I'm on site and the company that I'm doing inspections for has given me a list of assets that I'm going to inspect, but I found that there are some assets that exist that they want me to inspect that were not on my list. So I'm going to create those two assets to make sure that those are included in the job that I'm doing. So I'm going to search for my template to create my asset. I'm going to choose my template and then confirm. I'm going to enter the asset number. If I was auto-generating, I'd have to be adding a RFID tag or a barcode, something to that. And if you're not using RFID chips or adding a barcode, then you'll want to generate your own asset numbers. Do I want to copy the asset number to the serial field? I'm going to say no. Those will be different. And then I enter in the owner and the location. And I'm going to inspect these assets, so I choose yes. And I'm going to use a form rather than a workflow. And then I'm going to do a chain sling inspection. And then create. Now I'm going to add my second asset by going to the keyboard at the bottom. I'm going to add in my asset number. And then confirm. So I've created my first asset. Go down to the keyboard again, and I'm going to add my second asset. And confirm. So I now have two assets, and I'm going to now inspect these assets. So I'm going to confirm. Now I'm going to fill in all of the information. If everything is pass, I can use pass fields. If I need to put in specific information and details, I can do that into each of the fields. I actually have an order number, so I'm going to put my order number in. And then confirm that. And then these two assets will show up on my order number. So I'm going to complete my form. And I'm going to pass my form. And yes, I'm going to put a schedule on these two so that they will be on the same schedule as all the other aspects or all the other assets that I'm inspecting today. I'm going to do these again. If you'll confirm that, it's going to be in 6 months. And then confirm with a 30-day warning period. And pass. So I've just passed that chain sling inspection for both assets. And I now have my 3 assets that are on there. I had done one previously to make sure that I knew what I was doing, but we've got the 2 that we created, the PM12 2024 and PM12 1255, and I can now have those on the same list as my other items. That is how you would use batch to create items and inspect while you're actually on location with the customer. Thanks for watching this video, and look for other TESSALink training videos on YouTube.